morning all. I am Pratham from 7th standard. I attending SIV class from 9 months. I learn I learn English from coming SIV class, and I how to frame sentence. I learn, and we learn lesson through activities, and we learn grammar parts. The grammar parts like simple present tense, simple present continuous tense, magical words, pronouns, regular and irregular words, and many more. I like farming lesson. Yes, I will help to talk foreigners and another countries. And once again, I thank you for Jnana Kirti Foundation and SIV class.
Okay, thank you.